And that news conference with the Prime Minister is just beginning. Live now to Brisbane. We're about to hear from the Prime Minister, Scott Morrison.
Right here in Brisbane, right here in the electorate of Bonner. It's a great company because it has transitioned from the automotive industry now to the defence industry. And we're upskilling our labour force and we're creating jobs. So without any further ado, can I present the Prime Minister of Australia?
Thank you. Well, thank you very much, Ross, and to Angus, and to everybody here at FERA and to Boeing as well. This election is about the future of our economy. It's a choice between a government that has a clear economic plan that has been driving down unemployment, securing our AAA credit rating, turning our budget around by more than $100 billion in the last 12 months. Our economic plan is about making sure we're reducing taxes and cutting red tape. Spoke a lot about that when I was in Western Australia, cutting that red tape, particularly for our resources industry. You know about the cuts in taxes we've made for small business and for individuals. It's about ensuring they're investing in the skills and the infrastructure that enables our economy to grow. It's about reliable and affordable energy that powers places just like this, as well as getting electricity prices down by 8% over the last 2 years. It's about the data and digital economy, our plan, and ensuring that businesses are able to become digitally enabled and so they can compete and they can be part of supply chains, that small businesses can get paid on time and more quickly to boost their cash flow and can access the new technologies that helps them with their research and design and the many other features that helps them do their business better and be competitive. And it's about making things in Australia. And we talked about that a bit last night. Labor Party doesn't seem to know that we make things here in this country, and we're very, very good at it. We have got advanced manufacturing industries like we are here in FERA, and here they all are, making things here in Brisbane, making things here in Australia, making things that matter for our national defence, making things that matter to improve the quality of lives all around the world, and particularly here in Australia. And we're backing that advanced manufacturing capacity and capability here in Australia through our Modern Manufacturing Initiative. And it is a program that began when Karen Andrews was the Industry Minister and has been taken on further now by Angus as the Industry Minister. And it's a program I've been particularly passionate about, to ensure that we're investing co-jointly as a partner with businesses like here at FERA and so many more around the country to ensure that they can take that next step up, that they can get to the scale that they want to be at to be competitive. This is how our economic plan is working, and it goes together with paying lower tax on all the new machines that you've seen here that they could write off 100%, which has been a key part of how our economy, as we're coming out of this pandemic, is in a strong position to launch into a decade of opportunity. But you can't take it for granted. If you haven't designed that plan, if you haven't been implementing that plan, and you don't know how the economy works, and you don't know that we actually do make things in Australia, then it's hard for an alternative government to be able to take those issues forward. And that's why today, as further demonstration of our plan, we're announcing today $58.6 million in grants for 9 projects under the Defence Industry Priority for the Modern Manufacturing Initiative, and one in particular of $34 million under what's called the collaboration stream of the Modern Manufacturing Initiative for the Advanced Defence Aerospace Manufacturing Network, of which Boeing is the lead proponent and FERA is one of 10 small and medium-sized enterprise partners. There are 8 other grants of some $24.6 million under the translation stream of the Modern Manufacturing Initiative. Now, this Modern Manufacturing Initiative works across a whole range of different areas. It's in medical products, it's in defence, it's in food and beverage manufacturing, it's in resources and critical minerals, it's in recycling and clean energy, and it's in aerospace. So these are the areas of our advanced manufacturing that we are looking to really take forward, building on the base of lower taxes, a skilled workforce, the infrastructure that they need to grow and develop into the future. That's how our economic plan works. That's how it is working. That's how we've got unemployment down to 4%. That's how the budget's being turned around. That's how we manage to keep our AAA credit rating, because we are investing in the things that make our economy stronger. And with a stronger economy, Australia has a stronger future.